Hi guys, good morning, welcome back.
Today we have no chicken, no fish, no mutton, no pork at home, Maria. So what do?
We'll make plain egg curry today.
Today we are making Goa's plain, simple tatya kodi or egg curry. But let me tell you, taking a look at these ingredients, you won't think that it's some boring, simple, plain curry. Come, we'll show you how delicious this egg curry is going to be. We're going to make our egg curry with 6 boiled eggs. And then we have 1 coconut divided into 2, grated. The first part, we're going to make coconut milk with this 1 cup of water. The second part, we're going to grind with 6 red chillies, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 5 peppercorns, half teaspoon of cummin seeds. And to cook our curry, we'll use 2 chopped onions, 2 chopped green chillies, about half teaspoon of tamarind concentrate which I have diluted in little water, 1 tablespoon oil, and we have 2 cups of water to make our gravy. So we'll start by making the masala for our egg curry. It's a very simple masala. It needs no roasting or toasting of any spices. We will just grind all the masala ingredients together into a paste using a little water. We're just going to put all the masala ingredients in the mixie and grind with a little bit of water to make a fine paste. That's our fine paste for making our egg curry. Now in the same blender, I'll make the coconut milk. There's our coconut milk, slightly yellow because we made it in the same blender jar as we made our masala. And now we've got everything ready to make our easy but not boring Goan egg curry. So we're going to start on a high flame because first we'll fry our onions. Now our oil is hot, we'll first fry our onions. We'll just fry them till they turn translucent. When they change color and become quite white. It takes just like 3-4 minutes. Today is a rainy, heavy rain day in Goa, so we did not go to the market. And that's why we're going to make our standby eggs. And let me tell you, egg curry is one of Maria and my favorite dishes. So what if you don't have fish in the monsoon time? There are still such tasty things you can make to eat. The onions are changed color and they are just about to start browning, so adding the green chilies now. Just lightly frying. That's it. Hardly you need to fry the green chilies. Now we will fry our masala. We did not fry our masala before putting it in the blender. So now we'll fry for 4-5 minutes. Let it cook. The flavor of all the spices has to come out. There, that's enough. Now we're going to add our 2 cups of water, which we have heated. We'll stir this so it becomes one and we'll bring it to a boil. Our egg curry is boiling, so we are going to add tamarind and salt now. One teaspoon of salt. At this point, you can even eat this curry by itself. We call this shorak in Goa. The gravy, the masala gravy is so delicious that you can just eat this with rice, some salad and some pickle, maybe a dry fish salad, some chutney. In Lent we eat this a lot because it's completely meatless. But we are making tatye kodi egg curry, so we are going to add eggs and we are going to add coconut milk. Just letting the gravy boil a bit and tighten, then we will add our eggs and coconut milk. After tightening our gravy, we are adding our eggs. There. All my eggs are submerged in the gravy. Now I will add my coconut milk. Bas, for 5 minutes we will let this cook and that's it. Our lunch is ready. Our egg curry is ready. See you back here in 5 minutes. That's it. Our egg curry is done. In that much time, 5 minutes, the gravy has thickened. Ready to eat our simple but very delicious daily Goan egg curry. I've switched off the flame. My yummy rainy day lunch is ready to eat. This recipe with lots of love from my home to yours.